In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Lovable Code in local. First, open Lovable in your browser. Once the site loads, you'll land on your dashboard. This is the central place where all your projects live. Take a moment to locate the project you want to pull code from. The project card usually includes a name and brief details, so you can be sure you're opening the right one. When you found it, click the project to open it. Inside the project workspace, look toward the top of the page for the code icon. It's typically in the main toolbar. Click that icon to enter the code view. This switches the interface from a high-level project overview to a file-focused view, where you can browse what's been generated or organize for your project. Here you'll see different types of code grouped, so it's easy to find what you need. Think of this area like a file explorer for your project. You might see folders, categories, or tabs representing components, pages, styles, utilities, or other code artifacts. If you're not sure which section has what you're looking for, scan the names and descriptions. These usually hint at the file's purpose. Open a file to preview its contents and confirm it's the one you want. When you found the exact code you need, look to the top right corner of the code viewer. There, you'll see your export options. You can copy the file's contents directly to your clipboard, or you can download the file to your computer. Choose copy if you plan to paste a snippet, or full file straight into your editor. After copying, switch to your local project, create or open the matching file, and paste. Double-check indentation, imports, and any paths so everything lines up with your existing structure. Choose download if you want a ready-to-use file saved to your machine. This is handy when you want to keep the original file name and formatting intact. After downloading, place the file into the correct folder in your local project and verify the file extension and location match your project's conventions. A few tips to keep things smooth. Keep file names and paths consistent to avoid import errors. If the code references assets, environment variables, or configuration files, make sure those exist locally. And after adding the code, run your project to confirm everything builds and behaves as expected. If something doesn't look right, revisit the code view to compare files or select a different variant that better matches your setup. That's it! You've navigated to your project, opened the code view, chosen the exact file you need, and either copied or downloaded it for local use. Happy building!